Welcome to my vlog. Hi guys! Today I'm going to make a slime. Here's my plastic spoon and my cup to make slime. White glue and baking soda and some contact lens solution and fruit color. Orange, red, and my scissors. My sister's going to help me with this one because this one's pointy. Okay guys, now let's start it. So guys, first we're going to use the white glue. So now let's open it. Let's wait until the bottle is empty. Let's go around. So guys, we're done with the white glue. So we're moving on to the color. That's the next one. So my sister's going to help me. Sister, help me. So guys, you can use food coloring or paint or crayon. I use crayon because we don't have, my paint is lost and my mommy hide it. And then we don't have food coloring, that's why we use crayons. So now here's it. So guys, we're going to mix it until the crayon blends into the glue so we have color. So now let's mix it. It's mixing, guys. Oh, it's not. It's not mixing. So guys, the crayon didn't work, so we're going to use the blush. So now my sister's going to help me again. Here it is. That's the blush on. So now we're going to mix it. Let's see if it works. If it's not, we're going to find again. Didn't work, guys. Didn't work. Now guys, we're going to use the eyeshadow. Here's the eyeshadow. It's dark and light. So now we're going to mix it, guys. Not working, guys. Are you serious, guys? That's already 3 colors. I mean 4 colors. That's the blush on the crayon and this one. That's already 3. So it didn't work. That was just a little bit color. Guys, we put a little more. So I think it will work because my sister put some light purple. That's why it didn't work. So now let's mix it again. We just have to mix it faster, guys. I'm faster because I'm big now. So guys, it colored a little bit there. So now we're going to use the baking soda. My sister's going to tell if it's enough. If it's not, I'm not going to stop yet. So now let's start. So now we're done. So here it is. That's the one. That's the baking soda. So now we're going to mix it, guys. A little bit crunchy. We're done at the baking soda. So now we're going to use the contact lens. My sister's going to pour it. So now my sister's going to pour it. Sister, pour it now. So now let's mix it. It's just clear, that's why I didn't show it to you guys. We're going to add more. Guys, just put a little by little because if you put more by more, it won't affect. If you put a little by little, it will affect. So now let's put more so it will affect. Like that only. Only a little. Only 1 scoop. Like 1 scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, guys, it's starting to form. guys, huh? Hear the sound? So that's it, guys. See you next week and bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.